what is crowdsourcing in enterprise mean? What does it mean?
So we are using these two words in a very interesting way. If you take today, you will see crowdfunding, and you are using the power of people to resolve issues. We want to use the same thing and apply it to an enterprise. In my enterprise, I have thousands of brilliant people, and if I am having an issue with a customer, in one click or one tap, I should be able to reach out to all the relevant guys and tap their brain. That is the crowdsourcing that I would expect from the people in enterprise.
And you're fundamentally saying that because the physical boundaries and the organizational boundaries are not a limit in finding intelligence?
They should not be. They should not be. Because at the end of the day, we are one organization, one company. Inside my company, I might have different groups, different departments, but there should not be these boundaries which prevent a proper exchange of knowledge. Because at the end of the day, it is going to benefit the company if we resolve that customer issue. So there should be a seamless way for these knowledge to transfer. And I think the crowdsourcing enterprise intelligence that we have allows us to do that.
Mail groups and mail lists have always been existing in enterprises. How do you see that working? There are mail groups or
right. Yeah. True. So there are these distribution lists.
Yes.
Distribution lists.
Right.
Very funny because these distribution lists are never current. Today somebody joins the organization, and if he is not put in the distribution list, he will not get the email. Tomorrow somebody leaves the organization, the distribution list is not updated. So distribution list, it's not there are always challenges with that. And what does distribution list do? Frankly, it just puts you one more email in your inbox. Already I get hundreds of email, and this is yet another email. People tend to ignore this. They think this is not their thing to resolve. Somebody else will solve it.
Crowdsourcing in an enterprise could be overwhelming. I mean, you can't take every problem and put it among all of your 100,000 employees in an organization.
No, exactly. Very true. That's not the intent. Especially in an enterprise, people have their roles and responsibilities, and we don't want to flood. So that's why we need to make sure our crowdsourcing really has intelligence about it. We reach out to only people which matter for this engagement, and that is the intelligence that we are building, and to reach out people who are most likely willing to help you regarding a problem that you are solving.
That's pretty interesting.